There's where it came through. And there's the other side of the road where it went through. Jesus. Craziness. Thank you. These people were just in the most worst place they could ever be. There's trees and shit all over the highway. Damn.